So teachers are probably one of the most overworked, underpaid demographics in America, maybe besides stay-at-home moms. And so what I want to do today is show you how you can use digital products and you can use ChatGPT to create a product that will make you an extra $1,000 or more a month. So make sure to save this for later so you can go back and screenshot. If you don't know, my name is Wendy Jo. I teach you how to earn passive income from home. I've made multiple six figures on Etsy as well as on Shopify and other platforms. So we're going to jump into ChatGPT and we're going to ask it, what are 10 profitable digital products that I could sell as a teacher to make extra money? And it's going to give you a list. And so then once I saw the list, I then decided to expand on that. And I said, expand on number 3, which was to create worksheets. So what are 10 worksheets that I could create that would help solve a problem for these teachers? So then it gives you 10 ideas of worksheets that you could create. So then I went in and I said, act as a Fortune 500 marketing director. And I asked it, who would be my ideal audience? Where would they be shopping for these? How much money do they spend annually on products like these? And what social media platforms do they use? And this will be used to, market. So then it goes into depth, you guys, and explains all of the places that they would be shopping and how to market to them. One of them was Pinterest. So then I said, give me a Pinterest marketing strategy to make an extra $1,000 a month. And it goes into detail. The sky's the limit with ChatGPT. You can ask it just about anything. The key is how you ask it and what you ask it, so that it spits out the results that are going to help you the most. Make sure to like and subscribe for more because I am here to help you make that extra income.